Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Hope you all are doing great. Yeah, to my new and old subscribers, a very warm welcome to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, follow this page, like, share and comment for you to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make these delicious grilled chicken wings using air fryer, and let's get started. To begin, I have some well-cleaned chicken wings. Next, let's dry it with some paper towel. I went ahead to cut into two parts because I want it smaller. You can as well cut yours to your desired size or shape. Once done, set it aside. In a separate bowl, add in all the dry ingredients and mix until it is well combined. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Once this is done, go ahead and put together your seasonings: olive oil, soya sauce, cornstarch, now rub in all the ingredients, cover and set aside to marinate for about 1 to 2 hours, or you can as well do that overnight. The choice is yours. After 2 hours, transfer the marinated chicken wings into the air fryer. Cover and grill for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes now, bring it out and flip over to the other side. Grill for another 20 minutes. Minutes later, our chicken wings is done and ready to be served. It is so appetizing, inviting, tasty. Enjoy with any chill drink of your choice. Hope you try out this amazing recipe. You will love it. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Remain blessed. Bye.